If you don't see cycles showing up in Blender, either in your system settings or inside the Render Properties panel, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quick fix step by step so you can enable cycles manually and get back to rendering. This is a common issue, especially after a fresh install or if your Blender preferences haven't been set up yet. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, look at the top bar in Blender and click Edit, then choose Preferences. This is where Blender keeps all of the important settings, including add-ons and system options. Inside the Preferences window, go over to the Add-ons tab. In the search bar, type Cycles. If Cycles is not enabled yet, you may not see it active in your render options, so this is the first thing we need to fix. Once you find Cycles Render Engine, enable it by checking the box. This is important because Cycles must be active before it can appear properly in your render settings. If you skip this step, Blender may keep hiding it from the render engine list. After that, close the Preferences window. Now move to the right side of Blender and open the Properties panel. Click the Render Properties tab, which is the camera icon. At the very top, you'll see the Render Engine dropdown. Click it and select Cycles. If everything is enabled correctly, Cycles should now appear here. Next, go back into Edit, then Preferences again, and open the System tab. This is where Blender shows your device options for rendering. Look for Cycles Render Devices. Here, you can choose either GPU or CPU, depending on your hardware. If you have a compatible graphics card, GPU will usually give you much faster rendering. If not, CPU is still available and will work fine. A lot of people miss this part, but the GPU options usually only appear after Cycles is activated first, so if you didn't see them before, that was probably the reason. And that's it. Once Cycles is enabled in Add-ons, selected in Render Properties, and configured in the System tab, the missing Cycles issue should be fixed. You should now be able to render with Cycles normally in Blender. If this video solved your problem, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Blender tutorials, fixes, and beginner-friendly tips.